Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video on Salesforce Board. This is not going to be related to any LWC or JavaScript stuff. This video is related to Salesforce Dev Days event. So we recently had that Salesforce Dev Days event at Jaipur, and this video is going to be kind of a recap of that event. If you were not able to join, if you missed that event due to any reason, so this video will give you complete insight about it. So I tried to capture a couple of moments from that event from my lens. I was not able to cover everything for sure. One person cannot be everywhere in the event, right? But I was able to cover a lot of really cool stuff from that event, which I will be sharing in this video. The day start with the Dev Days app. The registration was using the application. In this picture, you see Jerry holding this application card through which you can register and get the application link and URL. The registration was super easy and the app interface was also very much smooth. Kudos to the Salesforce dev team for this app. The app was designed in a way to keep everyone engaged throughout the day. It was having the agenda, quiz, swags, networking option, sponsor details, and multiple feedback options for all the activities going around. We also had option to provide feedback using the application itself after each session. And there were 4 teams there, Team Cody, Team Astro, Genie, and Flo. And using some random methodology, we were assigned to different teams at the time of registration. Also, trailblazers were earning points by participating in different activities. There were a lot of activities going around, and there was an option to redeem those points to get some really cool Salesforce swags. So using those points, we were able to purchase those swags based on those points. There were Salesforce caps, umbrella, hoodies, neon signs, Salesforce badges, and much more. I started my day there with the welcome note by Vishwa, Senior Manager APAC, Technical Audience Relationship. Oh, that's a pretty long designation to handle, I would say. And then we had the keynote session by Sanket Atal, SSVP and MD of Salesforce India, who showed us how the future looks like with the power of AI plus data plus CRM. Then we had another follow-up session. It was by Dev Duo Aditya and Satya, where we learned upcoming features around generative AI, and also we saw a demo of how Einstein GPT is going to help us as an extension in VS Code. And after that session, we jumped into another activity, which was Code Wars. As per my observation, this was the most interesting activity I had in an event. It was hosted by Aditya again, and it was a team activity where these 4 teams, Cody, Astro, Genie, and Flo, were competing with each other. And during this activity, there was a task assigned to each team, and based on the process, they were also getting some points. And another fun activity we had after that was Escape Room. It was hosted by Akash there. That was a fun team activity where we get chance to solve a couple of quiz and earn more points accordingly to redeem it later and get some Salesforce swags as well. At the end, we had the finale where Team Flow wins the overall day game. Unfortunately, that was not my team. And yes, how can I miss the live band at the end? And also there were a couple of other things like there were different sessions but by some really good speakers, which was going simultaneously on different rooms. So overall, it was a day full of learning, meeting fellow trailblazers, and giving back to the community. So if you missed this amazing event this year, don't worry. I believe it will be back next year as well. So don't ever think about missing it next year. At the end, I just want to say thanks to Salesforce developer team for this amazing event. Keep up the good work, guys.